Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change storage engine for tables in database for PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and this is our database, and then you see table. Open any table and then you see structure. So click on it. So we are going to change storage engine. Now you see operation, so click on it. So we are in operation and then you see table option. Now you see storage engine. Then you see multiple options, CSV, memory, InnoDB. So you can select storage engine option according to requirement and then click on go. Now loading, and then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully in table operation. So we are in table user and we change storage engine for this table by using operation. Now go to structure again. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.